Do you own a Bricklink store? Are you looking for a quick and easy way to update your prices? Then keep watching, because in 3 easy steps we will explain to you how it's done. Hi, I'm Stefan, owner of SV Brickshop. We are a Lego reselling store on Bricklink and Brickowl. We update our prices about once a month. We do this to stay competitive in the market and to make sure that our prices are not too high and not too low. This way we can offer the best prices to our customer and keep driving our sales. Before we can actually start updating our prices, first we have to make sure that our most current inventory is uploaded into Brickstore. So to upload our current store inventory into Brickstore, we click on Bricklink store inventory and the current inventory will be uploaded into Brickstore. For the second step, in order to update our current prices, we will first determine which items we are going to update. In our case, it will be the entire list. So I will click somewhere and then I will press Ctrl A. This makes a complete selection of all items. The next step we do is to set the price to guide. So we click here. In our case, we like to align our prices with the last 6 months sales as average. And in case items do not have a price on the current market, I will choose for the option don't change the lot price. You have different options: set the lot price to 0 or just set a red marker on the lot. If my price is not in the market, or if the item is not in the market, I choose to do not change the lot price. So we took this, we press OK, and now it's going to download the price guide data from Bricklink and it will update our prices accordingly. So 13 items have been skipped due to missing price guide or network errors, but we chose for the option not to change the prices in case the item is not in the Bricklink market. We press OK, and to see if there were any significant changes, we can add some columns which will be original price and the difference in price. And if we deselect the item list now, we will see the red prices is where the new price is lower than our original price. Where there is a green marker, it means that it's either the same or that your new price is higher than the old price. So for our last step, what we will do is to upload or update our new prices into the Bricklink store. Click anywhere you want, press Ctrl A, because only the selected items will be updated. Items that are not selected will also obviously not be updated in the store. With everything selected, we go to the export button, we click on it, left click, and we choose Bricklink mass update to XML to clipboard. And this will bring us to the Bricklink page where you would normally upload new pieces or add new pieces to the existing inventory. But in the bottom part of this window, you can use this to update your prices or values. So we click in this bottom window, and by clicking in Brickstore on the update button, Brickstore automatically converts your inventory in an XML file and copies it to your clipboard. So what we do now is press Ctrl V and it pastes your previously XML file in your clipboard to this window. When we're happy with the results, we click on Verify File, and this gives you an overview of all the prices of all the lots that have been changed or it stays the same, which will be depicted as same as current. So we go through all this list, we go down, and here you see so many lots have been updated in your store inventory. These will only be updated when we click on submit updates. So there we have it. We updated our entire Bricklink store to the most current prices. As I said, it is not mandatory to do this, but if you want to stay competitive in the market and keep on having consistent orders and sales, then it's highly recommended that you update your prices once in a while. I do it once a month, but it's to your preference what the time span is to do it, if you do it at all. There we come to the end of our video. I would like to thank you all so much for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys on the next. Bye bye.